All right, babes. So we are starting this vlog off with my tea. I like to make it based off the Starbucks medicine ball. I use throat coat tea and elderberry tea and the glazed lemon loaf tea. And then I add in some honey and some stevia to make it super sweet and yummy. And guys, we are super sick. Like, our Thanksgiving was ruined. We were supposed to go with our friends and have so much fun. This is our first Thanksgiving away from family, and we spent it sick and dying in bed. So, you know, I hope everyone else's Thanksgiving was like so much better than ours. But we are thankful that we are feeling a bit better. But I still want to share it with you guys because this is the reality. Sometimes it's not all like gumdrops and rainbows, and that's totally fine. And we are feeling better. So I thought this would be the perfect way to share with you guys. And oh, if you guys don't know, throat coat tea needs to steep for like 15 minutes. So give it some time. While that's going on, I'm going to shower. I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu AHA Botanical Body Soap, as well as my Dove Sensitive Skin. This is my favorite skin combo. It keeps my skin so soft and smells amazing. Next, we are getting into the skin. So my skin has been looking rough right now because we were sick. So I thought I would just give it like a little bit of glow. Shout out to Leo for filming for me because I could not be bothered to set up a tripod. I still wasn't feeling 1000% filming this, but I wanted to get you guys the video out. So I'm going to be washing my face with my BHA face soap, and then I'm going in with some rosehip seed oil, and I'm going to be dermaplaning. There's just so much to unpack here with the dermaplaning, guys. Honestly, my whole body care routine is up in arms, and I will talk to you guys about it in another video. But long story short, when you start eating healthy and losing weight and working out and all those things, nobody tells you that your body hair goes from growing at one rate to hyper galactic speed, okay? Like hyper galactic speed. I went from dermaplaning once a month to dermaplaning bi-weekly to I almost feel like I need to dermaplane weekly. I feel like I need to shave like everywhere every 2 to 3 days. I mean, girl, like we out here, okay? But we'll talk about that in another video. Okay. So yeah, I just thought dermaplaning would give me back some confidence, make my skin feel beautiful again, and it definitely did. I was also talking to Leo and explaining it to him because I don't think he's ever watched me do this. So we were just like chatting through like what it's like to dermaplane your skin. Ladies, if you don't dermaplane your skin and you're fine with how your skin looks, then keep it rocking, sis. Those of us who dermaplane, I really feel like most of us do it because we wear a full face of makeup and we like our skin to look super smooth and flawless. But even without wearing makeup, I genuinely think it makes a huge difference in how your skin looks. So yeah, if you haven't tried it, I say give it a try, but just be careful, take care of your skin, and I think you'll be just fine. But I love dermaplaning. I swear by it. It makes my skin look amazing, and I don't think I will ever go back, to be honest. So guys, after you dermaplane, please make sure you wash your face and wash your face thoroughly. You can see I'm really getting in there and like scrubbing it. You just removed a bunch of dead skin and exfoliated essentially, so your skin is very fresh, and that also means it's very easy for any like nasty microbes or anything that came out when you were dermaplaning to be stuck onto your skin. So please just make sure you wash it really thoroughly and keep it super clean. This is how I do it, and I don't experience acne after dermaplaning, so that's just what I do. But I know some people do experience like severe acne, and it could just be just from not using a clean razor each time and things like that. But now we're getting into the star of the show, my friends over at Merit Beauty and their Great Skin Serum. This is a lightweight bi-phase serum that instantly hydrates and plumps your skin for a smooth glass-like appearance, helping to leave the skin calmer, brighter, and more even over time. So guys, essentially what I'm trying to say here, your girl's still sick, so bear with me. This stuff is making my skin look iconic, and it is on sale. Ladies, this is not a drill. Do not walk, do not pass go, run to Merit.com. This is their only sale of the year, and it is going on until the 28th of November. Guys, this is it. This is the sale, okay? The link will be in my description box down below, but I love Merit Beauty. You guys already know this. They're also available in Sephora, but right now they're having a 20% off site-wide sale with daily doorbusters and different discounts. So guys, after I use that amazing serum, I'm going in with their lip oil. I use the shade Slick. It's a slick little sheer color infused with rosehip oil and shea butter, and it keeps my lips super healthy and shiny, but also gives me a little color. I'm using the color Falcon. I love it. I think it just gives like a little wash, and you can see once I put this on, I have my serum on, I put my little lip on, and my face has life again. And when you've been sick, you know how you just look like dead kind of. I love that my face just like has color again, and it's just got that va-va-voom to it. I just truly adore it. So definitely guys, make sure you check out Merit Beauty's sale. It's absolutely amazing. Like, this is their only sale of the year, and you guys better get to it. The link is in my description box down below. Thank you to my friends at Merit for sponsoring this portion of the video. But guys, we're going straight in with our lash serum, and then we're going in with our CeraVe moisturizer. Make sure you are repairing that skin barrier, especially after you dermaplane, guys. It is so serious. You need to do it after you dermaplane. Like, take care of your skin. You can't do half and not the whole. You know what I'm talking about? Like, you just can't, guys. Next, I'm going in with the CeraVe Healing Ointment, and that's for around my nose. Oh my God, my nose. When you are sick, like literally blowing your nose just tears up your skin, guys. It really does. So I'm just applying it all around my nose. So guys, I wanted to share with you the smoothie that I was making Leo drink with me. I drink a smoothie similar to this almost every single day after I work out. But this was a special, like, we are sick together, you have to drink it with me, hee smoothie. So you can see I'm putting in some bananas and berries, some spinach. I'm going in with my all-time favorite ingredient right now, spirulina. I will talk to you guys about this in another video as well, but you can see I'm using my unsweetened almond milk, and I'm gonna go in with spirulina, which has become literally like my road dog. Like, can't make a smoothie without it now. I'm obsessed with it. If you haven't seen my TikToks using it too, like, I'm obsessed with this ingredient. It is truly my new favorite. It's just so amazing. I've noticed my skin looks so much better. I feel so much better just throughout the day having used it. So I used the KOS spirulina, and I'm obsessed with it. And then I go in with the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. You guys know I've been loving these forever. Everything I'm using, I'm putting in 2 scoops instead of my usual 1 scoop because my husband is having this with me. So it's for 2. That's why there's extra milk and fruit and everything. And last, I'm going in with my organic protein, and it tastes so good. The strawberry cream flavor, I know it is limited edition, but girl, you better run to Costco and get it because it really tastes like candy. So freaking delicious. And then we're just gonna pop that in our smoothie setting, our blender, and I love it. I love that it has the Auto IO smoothie because that's literally like all I use it for, and it just blends your smoothies to perfection every single time like clockwork. I also love that the spirulina makes your smoothies kind of blue. It's just like, feels like when you were a little kid and you would get those special drinks that were like blue and they were full of dyes and chemicals that we probably shouldn't have been having, but shout out to these 90s parents that let us have it anyways, you know what I'm saying? So I love it. I just think it's so cute and fun. Every time I make my smoothies, it just makes me feel like so excited and like a kid again. And it's delicious. It tastes like candy, to be honest. So we got our smoothies made. We got our lids on with our cute straws. Also, if you guys want these cups, they're on my Amazon storefront. I know I'm gonna get questions about them because they come with the lids and the straws. It's a set of 4, and I think it was only like 25 bucks, y'all. But once we got all set, we got our cute little smoothies, giving y'all the aesthetic little shots. We literally did nothing for the rest of the day. I'm gonna just keep it a buck. I had my tea. We watched some Stephanie Harlow. I love her. We're following the Shanquilla Robinson case. If you guys aren't, you should definitely check out her video on it. We had the whole medicine pack here, and that's about it, guys. I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving, and don't forget to check out Merit Beauty's sale.